Hi guys, it's Chris with MarketingSM.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna show you a website that's gonna pay you for test applications and websites just by clicking a few links and buttons and report back if everything works okay or if you found any bugs. Really simple, really easy, and you can get paid in your PayPal account just for doing this simple task. Before I go ahead and stop this video and show you the website, let me go ahead and tell you from the beginning that this is for now for US and UK residents, because this is where the website started. But I would suggest to bookmark this website if you are located in another country and go back every couple of weeks to check it out, because it's going really well and they're going to be expanding to other countries as well. So this is what I want to tell you from the beginning. If you are UK and US resident, you would like to watch this. If you are not, just bookmark the page, guys, and go ahead and check it out later on. I will show you where you can go and check it just in a minute. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button, and with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. The website I'm going to talk to you about is called userzoom.com, and it's IntelliZoom, which is under the UserZoom group. And it says here, your opinion matters. Get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on products you love and care about. And you're going to be getting paid for submitting 15 or 20 minutes of your time for doing some reviews on the websites and applications that they're gonna assign to you, so you can give feedback and get paid. Simple as that. Yeah. What should I expect? How much money you should be waiting for this one? Payments depends on the complexity on the study. For studies that record you thinking out loud audio and video, you can expect to make $10 on average. For standard surveys, you make $5 on average. So anywhere between $5 and $10 for 10 to 20 minute surveys. Guys, it's very simple. You're gonna get paid through your PayPal. Most results are approved within 3 to 5 days. If you are in US and UK, again, go ahead, register. It's very nice, very simple to do. No experience needed. They don't want professionals. They want people like you and I to become testers, so they can see the actual results and feedback from the people they're going to be using. They don't want professionals to do it, because professionals are going to be jumping here and there and they're going to see things on a different night, but they want regular users like you and I to go ahead and test. As I told you, if you hit the sign up button on the upper right side, you're going to come here on the sign up page, and you're going to see here that is United States and United Kingdom. So stay tuned, because it was just US, now they went to United Kingdom, and it's going to be expanding very soon, guys. They're going to need a lot of people to join this. So just bookmark this page, come back every couple of weeks and check it out. And remember, on sites like this that they are brand new, guys, if you are from the first people joining, it's always a great advantage, because you're going to be getting the better results, the more money, the more surveys, and it's gonna be always a big benefit when you are for the first people joining on sites like this. When it starts to get very popular and people joining, then the amount of money per survey you're gonna be getting is going down. So instead of $5 and $10, you're gonna be getting $2 and I don't know, $4. Yeah. So this is talking out of experience. US and UK residents, go ahead, try it out. For the rest of the countries, bookmark this page, check it out every couple of weeks, because that's a good fair amount of time to have it every couple of weeks. Open your bookmark, come here, check it out. If your country is there, go ahead and give it a shot. If you are not again on these countries and you want to see my #1 recommendation available worldwide, make sure you click my #1 recommendation below, give it a shot. It's free to join, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna thank me later on, because it's guaranteed to bring you some income inside. This is what I want to show you guys today. I hope you enjoy the content of this video. Give it a shot. I'll see you on the next video. Start making some money. Enjoy your days. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and make sure you click the subscribe button next to it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Enjoy your day.